Hello student, I am Pramod sir, your math teacher. Welcome to everybody today's online class. Student, today again I am going to discuss questions of exercise 11.4. So in my previous video student, I have discussed till to question number 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So today student, in this video I am going to start from the question number 6 of exercise 11.4. So firstly student, I am writing the question on the board. Question number 6 is saying student, two crossroads each of width 10 meter, cut a right angle through the center of a rectangular park of length 700 meter and breadth 300 meter and parallel to its side to its sides. Question is asking me student, find the area of the road. Find the area of the roads also find the area of the park excluding crossroads give the answer in hectares. Give the answer in hectare. This is the question student. Student, I want to tell you here that this question is very most important question for the view of your exam, and question number 7, 8 and 9 totally depend on this question. It means if you are able to understand this question, how can we solve this question? It means you can solve easily question number 7, 8 and 9 also student. It means this is very most important question. So firstly student, try to understand the meaning of this question. Two crossroads, there are two roads and both are crossing to each other. Width 10 meter. दोनों रोड की चौड़ाई जो है विड्थ दैट इज 10 मीटर, कट अ राइट एंगल थ्रू द सेंटर ऑफ ए रेक्टेंगुलर पार्क. There are a rectangular park, and from that rectangular in that rectangular park, both roads are crossing to each other at a right angle, and the length of the rectangular park is 700 meter and breadth of the rectangular park is 300 meter, and parallel to its side रोड जो है रेक्टेंगुलर पार्क के साइड के पैरेलल हैं, या आप ऐसे भी कह सकते हैं कि रेक्टेंगल की साइड्स जो हैं रोड्स के पैरेलल हैं. सो फाइंड द एरिया ऑफ द रोड्स. फाइंड द एरिया ऑफ द रोड्स. वी नीड टू फाइंड आउट द एरिया ऑफ द रोड. अंडरलाइन. वी नीड टू फाइंड आउट द एरिया ऑफ रोड्स. Second question is asking me also find the area of the rectangular park of the park excluding crossroads. पार्क की एरिया बताना है, बट रोड की एरिया निकालने के बाद उसमें you not need to include the area of the road in the area of the rectangular park. मीन्स उसको निकालने के बाद की एरिया आपको रेक्टेंगुलर पार्क की बताना है. एंड गिव द आंसर इन हेक्टेयर. थर्ड कंडीशन इज गिवन, यू नीड टू फाइंड आउट योर आंसर इन हेक्टेयर. So student, firstly I am drawing a rough diagram here. So by the help of this diagram we solve this question. Suppose that student, this is my rectangular park. ये मेरा रेक्टेंगुलर पार्क है. सपोज दैट रेक्टेंगुलर पार्क, एंड देर आर टू roads are crossing to each other from the center. This is the first road and this is the second road, like this. Look here. Roads are parallel to the side of the rectangle. This is the side of the rectangle and this is the road. This road is parallel to this side and this road is parallel to this side, length side of the rectangle. So student, given information, in the given information, length of the rectangular park, length is 700 meter and breadth is, student, breadth is 300 meter. Length and breadth. Question was asking me find the area of the park. अगर सिर्फ only if we need to find out the area of the park, then length into breadth we can find out easily. But condition is given excluding the crossroad. This area you have to left the area of the road. आपको इसको छोड़ना है, निकाल करके रोड की एरिया को निकाल करके एक्सक्लूड करके फिर आपको जो है पार्क की एरिया फाइंड आउट करना है. सो आई कांट टेल डायरेक्टली 700 into 300. सो स्टूडेंट, द width of the road, this width of the road is 10 meter. Width of the both road 10 meter. This is 10 meter also. This distance is 10 meter. This distance is 10 meter. This distance is 10 meter. And this distance is 10 meter also. This is the width of the road. So, student, if we shaded by the lining the road, like this, then you can see clearly the road. This is the road. And student, this is my park. This is my park. And this is my road. ये road है. And this is park. ये park है. If we student, we mention the name of the rectangular park like A, B, C and D. By showing the name of the park and road, my calculation will be easy, student. For this, I am writing the name of the rectangular park and road also. A, B, C, D. If the name of the rectangular park, then you can write the name of this road, this one road. This is the rectangle also. So, P, Q, R, S. P, Q, R, S. And the name of this road is T, U, V and W. And you are seeing, student, in the middle where the both roads are crossing to each other, there is a square formed, and the name of this square is E, F, G and H. Two crossroads, each with 10 meter, cut a right angle through the center of the rectangular park of each 700 meter and breadth is 300 meter and parallel to its sides. Find the area of the road, also find the area of the park excluding the crossroads. Give the answer in hectare. This is my figure, student. So student, firstly we need to find out the area of the road. पहले हमको रोड का एरिया फाइंड आउट करना है. स्टूडेंट. So how can we find out the area of this road? Student, this is a rectangle. This road is in the form of rectangle and the name of rectangle is PQRS. So I am going to solve, student, this question. Mention the name. Let ABCD is a rectangular park and PQRS TUVW are the roads. I have written these names in the figure. So, student, which information is given, firstly note it down. Length of the rectangular park, width of the road, firstly, width of the road, width means PQ and QU. P, Q and QU, and QU is equal to 10 meter. You are seeing PQ and QU, width of the road, दोनों रोड की विड्थ जो है 10 मीटर है, एंड लेंथ of the road, length of the road PQRS रोड की लेंथ क्या होगी? दैट इज 300 मीटर. स्टूडेंट, व्हाई? दिस इज द लेंथ ऑफ दिस रोड. This is the length of this road. Means this will be 300. This will be 300 because it is parallel to this side, and this length, this is the rectangular park, and the breadth of the rectangular park is 300 meter. So this length will be 300 because both are parallel to each other. So 300 meter, and width of rectangle, you can write here, width of the road, PQRS road की width means PQ, only write the PQ, not QU, is equal to 10 meter. Length have known, width is known, so you can find out the area of the road PQRS. Now area of the road PQRS is equal to, this is a rectangle, and area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth. Length is given, student, length is given 300 meter into 10 meter is equal to 3000 meter square. This is the area of this road, and after this we find the area of this road also, student. Then we add the area of both road. It means this is my answer. Area of the roads, दोनों रोड का एरिया आपसे पूछ रहा है. सो पहले इस रोड का एरिया फाइंड आउट करिए, आफ्टर दिस इस रोड का एरिया फाइंड आउट करिए और दोनों को ऐड कर दीजिए. नाउ in rectangle QUVW, अब इस रेक्टेंगल को देखिए, QUVW, दिस इज रोड and it is in the form of rectangle. So QU is equal to 10 meter, and width of the road QUVW, width of the road QU is equal to 10 meter, and length of the road is equal to length of the road 700 meter, because this is a road and this side is parallel to the length of the rectangle. रेक्टेंगल के लेंथ के क्या है, पैरेलल है. सो लेंथ ऑफ द रेक्टेंगुलर पार्क इज 700 मीटर. सो लेंथ ऑफ दिस रोड इज विल बी 700 मीटर आल्सो. नाउ फाइंड द एरिया ऑफ द रोड. नाउ एरिया ऑफ रोड TUVW. रोड का एरिया क्या होगा, लेंथ इंटू ब्रेथ माइनस area of square EFGH. आप देखिए, जब आप इस रोड का एरिया फाइंड आउट किए थे, देन इस रोड में ये एरिया इंक्लूड था या नहीं? यस, this square is included in the area of road PQRS. But when student you are going to find out the area of the road TUVW, it means in this area you will not take the area of square EFGH. Why? Because one time you have taken this area in the area of road PQRS. Sorry student, PQRS में एक बार आप इंक्लूड कर चुके हैं इसको. सो इस रोड में फिर इस एरिया को नहीं लेंगे, नहीं तो फिर क्या होगा, डबल हो जाएगा. डबल इसी एक एरिया को आप दो टाइम इंक्लूड कर रहे हैं. सो माय आंसर विल बी रॉन्ग. यू हैव टू इंक्लूड ओनली वन टाइम. सो in the area of this road we have to subtract the area of this square. It means L into B minus area of the square EFGH. So length is 700 meter. 700 into breadth is 10 meter given, minus area of square, side into side, and this is this distance belongs to the width of the road, and width of the road is 10 meter. So this will be 10 meter. If one side is 10 of the square, it means all sides are equal. 10. So side into side means 10 into 10. 700 into 10, that is 7,000, minus 10 kanja 100 means 6,900 meter square. It is the area of this road. At last, finally find the area of both roads. Student, I am doing here area of both roads is equal to area of the road PQRS, plus area of road TUVW. So area of the road PQRS you have find out already, 3000 meter square. 3000 plus area of the road TUVW, that is 6900. 6900, that will be 0 plus 0 0, 0 plus 0 0, 9 plus 0 9, 639 meter square. Meter square. This is the 9900 meter square. 9900 meter square is the area, is the area of the both road. बोथ रोड, दोनों रोड का एरिया आपने फाइंड आउट कर लिया 9900 मीटर स्क्वायर. बट स्टूडेंट, क्वेश्चन वाज आस्किंग मी राइट योर आंसर इन हेक्टेयर. सो माय आंसर इज कमिंग इन मीटर स्क्वायर, सो चेंज इन इनटू हेक्टेयर. सो 1 hectare is equal to 10,000 meter square. 10,000 meter square, student. So 1 meter square is equal to 1 meter square is equal to 1 upon 10,000 hectare. So 9,900 meter square is equal to 9,900 upon 10,000. That will be 0.99 hectare. It is my answer. It is my first answer, student. This is my first answer. 0.99 hectare. 0.99 hectare is the area of the both road. It's very easy, student. पहले रेक्टेंगुलर पार्क बनाएंगे, आफ्टर दिस दो रोड बनाएंगे जो एक दूसरे को क्रॉस करते हो, राइट एंगल पर क्रॉस करते हो, कट करते हो, और उसकी रोड की विड्थ दिया हुआ है 10 मीटर. 10 मीटर दोनों रोड की विड्थ है, एंड द साइड्स आर पैरेलल टू द रेक्टेंगुलर पार्क. रोड की जो साइड है वो रेक्टेंगुलर पार्क के साइड के क्या है, पैरेलल है. तो दिस साइड is parallel to this side of the rectangle and this side of the road is parallel to this side. So find the area of both road one by one. एक एक करके दोनों रोड का एरिया फाइंड आउट कर लो. इसके बाद दोनों रोड के एरिया को आपस में ऐड कर दीजिए. सो वी फाइंड माय आंसर. बट ध्यान क्या देना है कि फर्स्ट टाइम एक रोड का एरिया आप जैसे भी निकालते हो, वेरी इजी, रेक्टेंगल के फॉर्मूले से आप फाइंड आउट कर लो. लेंथ इनटू ब्रेड्थ देखिए मैंने, PQRS, PQRS, दिस इज R, दिस इज S. PQRS का एरिया तो मैंने फाइंड आउट कर लिया लेंथ इनटू ब्रेड्थ से. बट व्हेन वी आर गोइंग टू फाइंड आउट द एरिया ऑफ रोड TUVW, it means now we not need to include the area of this square. Why? Because one time I have included this area. एक बार तो इस एरिया को हमने इसमें इंक्लूड कर लिया है, नेक्स्ट टाइम आई विल नॉट इंक्लूड. अगर दोबारा भी आप पूरे रोड का लेंथ इनटू ब्रेड्थ से निकालेंगे तो ये फिर एक बार मोर हो जाएगा, ज्यादा हो जाएगा, तो आपको माइनस करना पड़ेगा. सो एरिया ऑफ रोड TUVW, लेंथ इनटू ब्रेड्थ माइनस एरिया ऑफ द स्क्वायर. अगर आप लेंथ इनटू ब्रेड्थ से निकाल रहे हैं, इसका मतलब इस पूरी एरिया में ये भी आ गया, जबकि इसको आप एक बार इस रोड का एरिया फाइंड आउट करते समय इंक्लूड कर चुके हैं. सो आप क्यों कर रहे हैं भाई? एरिया तो आ गया ना, ये स्पेस, ये प्लेस जो है, स्पेस तो आ गया ना उसमें, ये जगह जितनी है वो तो आ गया ना इस एरिया में, फिर इसमें क्यों इंक्लूड कर रहे हैं? सो वी हैव टू सब्ट्रैक्ट स्टूडेंट हियर 6900 मीटर स्क्वायर. सो एरिया ऑफ द रोड्स, दोनों रोड का एरिया निकाल लीजिए, दोनों रोड के एरिया को आप ऐड कर दीजिए. मैंने ऐड कर दिया, 9900 मीटर स्क्वायर आ गया. अब इसी को हमें हेक्टेयर में राइट करना. आंसर 1 hectare is equal to 10,000 meter square. So 1 meter square is equal to 1 upon 1000 hectare. So 9,900 meter square is equal to 9,900 upon 10,000, that is 0.99 hectare. It's my first answer. Second question was asking me, student, find the area of the park excluding crossroads. अब हमें क्या करना है, इस पूरे रेक्टेंगुलर पार्क का एरिया बताना है, बट एक्सक्लूडिंग द रोड्स के एरिया को निकाल करके, मींस वी नीड टू फाइंड आउट दिस एरिया. इसको हमें बताना है, ये कितना है, ये कितना है, ये कितना है, ये हमको बताना है. ठीक है, मींस इसको नहीं बताना है, इसको नहीं बताया, ये कितना स्पेस है इसको निकाल करके हमको बताना है. So student, firstly we find out the area of the rectangular park including the road, means पूरे rectangular park का एरिया हम निकालेंगे. After this, from that area we will subtract the area of the roads, means 0.99 hectare. So student, I am going to erase. Area, length of the rectangular park is equal to 700 meter, and breadth of the rectangular park is equal to 300 meter. So area of the rectangular park is equal to length into breadth, 700 into 300, that is 2,10,000 meter square. 2,10,000 meter square. This is the area of the total rectangular park. पूरे rectangular park का ये area है. Now change this area in hectare. 1 meter square is equal to, student, 1 hectare. 1 hectare is equal to 10,000 meter square. So 1 meter square is equal to 1 upon 10,000 hectare. So 2,10,000 meter square is equal to 2,10,000 upon 10,000. Upon 10,000, 40 cancel, that is 21 hectare. 21 hectare. 21 hectare is the area of the rectangular park including the roads. Area of rectangular park including the roads. ये जो एरिया हमने फाइंड आउट किया है, इस एरिया में क्या क्या है, इसमें क्या क्या है, ये टोटल है, सब कुछ है, रोड भी है और जो स्पेस बचा हुआ है वो भी है, सब कुछ है इसमें. बट क्वेश्चन वाज आस्किंग मी, स्टूडेंट, फाइंड द एरिया ऑफ द पार्क एक्सक्लूडिंग द क्रॉस रोड्स. रोड जो एक दूसरे को क्रॉस कर रहे हैं, उस रोड के एरिया को निकाल करके आपको बताना है बची स्पेस. सो स्टूडेंट, नाउ एरिया ऑफ द rectangular park excluding the area of road. excluding the area of roads is equal to क्या होगा जरा देखिए, एरिया ऑफ द रेक्टेंगुलर पार्क, एरिया ऑफ rectangular park including roads minus area of the roads, area of the roads. एक तो मैंने राइट किया एरिया ऑफ द रेक्टेंगुलर पार्क इंक्लूडिंग रोड्स, इंक्लूडिंग area of road, area of road, including area of the roads, रेक्टेंगुलर पार्क का एरिया विथ रोड्स, इसको माइनस एरिया ऑफ द रोड, उसमें से रोड का एरिया निकाल दीजिए तो फिर बचेगा क्या, जो स्पेस बचा हुआ है. सो दिस विल बी 21.00 माइनस रोड का एरिया. स्टूडेंट आई हैव फाइंड आउट ऑलरेडी 0.99. सो सब्ट्रैक्ट हियर इन कॉलम मेथड 0.99. लुक हियर 10 minus 9 1, 9 minus 9 0. This is 0 and 2. 20.01 is equal to 20.01 hectare. This is my answer. So two answer I have find out, student. Look here, this is my first answer, means this is the area of the road, both roads, and this is the area of the rectangular park excluding the area of road. रोड के एरिया को निकाल करके रेक्टेंगुलर पार्क का एरिया, दिस इज 20.01. सो स्टूडेंट, आई होप यू हैव अंडरस्टूड दिस क्वेश्चन वेरी वेल, and this is very most important question, student, and very easy. You have to clear your concept on this question, student. So you need to more practice, to do more practice of this question. So student, now you will solve the question number 7, 8 and 9. 7, 8 and 9 yourself. All questions 7, 8 and 9 are totally depends on this question. If you are able to understand this question, it means you can do the question number 7, 8 and 9. So student, in my next video I will start from the question number 10, from the question number 10 of this exercise. So question number 7, 8 and 9. Question 7, 8 and 9 is homework for you. ये आपका homework है. This is your homework. So student, I hope you have understood this question very well. So thank you student, thank you very much.